Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Astra Splice. First, understand that Astra Splice is a robust tool for audio manipulation, offering incredible precision for sound designers and musicians alike. Its intuitive interface allows for quick access to powerful features, enabling you to sculpt your audio with ease. We will cover everything from initial setup to advanced techniques, ensuring you can confidently create professional-sounding projects. Get ready to unlock your creative potential with this versatile software. To begin, importing your audio into Astra Splice is straightforward. Simply drag and drop your desired audio files, such as WAV or MP3, directly onto the main timeline. You can also use the dedicated import menu for more options. Once loaded, organize your audio clips into separate tracks, which helps maintain a clean and manageable project. This foundational step ensures your workspace is tidy and ready for precise editing, setting you up for success. Now, let's dive into the core editing techniques within Astra Splice. Use the intuitive selection tool to highlight and isolate any portion of your audio. You can then perform precise cuts, trims, and apply smooth crossfades between clips to ensure seamless transitions. Adjusting the individual clip volume with the gain control slider allows you to balance your mix perfectly. These fundamental actions are crucial for shaping your sound with accuracy and achieving a polished result. Finally, let's explore Astra Splice's advanced capabilities. Dive into the extensive library of built-in audio effects, applying reverbs, delays, and EQs to enhance your sound. Utilize automation to create dynamic changes in parameters like volume or panning throughout your track, adding movement and interest. Once your masterpiece is complete, export your final project in various high-quality audio formats, such as WAV or FLAC, ready for sharing. This ensures your hard work sounds its absolute best.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.